Shekhar here. Today I am reviewing a brand new product, ScentBuddy 2.0. This is actually much better version of the earlier product which Zamora is marketing. He is in this business for over 20 years and created several products which are being sold and which are being used by thousands of customers like you and me. Let us see what is inside. This is getting real social share from thousands of real people located all over the world. The rank page 1 Google and YouTube fast. In fact, if things are doing you are doing it proper way as taught, you can within 48 hours you can rank your YouTube video or any site in page 1. Now, this is a proven platform with over 5,000 users and real testimonials. In course of time, he has created these users who are sharing these uh, all these links within one another, and that's how Google is able to rank these things very fast. Now, this new auto sharing features proven recurring income, tunnel long-term earning, and real case study to solidify results even more. Now there are 5,431 real people who are located all over world who are sharing all these contents, and they have already shared over 2 million contents, which is creating a big boom in the industry by this product. Now this is mitosis to our social syndication system. This is pretty much the next layer to our social syndication platform and really takes things to the next level. It is created platform where thousands of real users located all over world are sharing the contents for page 1 Google ranking very fast, and it is for long term. And there is no mean and no new platform. As you saw real time stats above, these 5,000 users have already shared more than 2 million of each other's content. Now, as you see, the gas is poured on the fire by ability by all users to turn auto sharing on each other's content. So one thing is noticed that certain percentage people tend to drop off over time and stop sharing content when it is manual process. So that has gone now. It is all automatic. Now, as a user, you will get real Facebook likes, real Facebook shares, real retweets, real social bookmarks, real 2.0 post, real web 2.0 post, and real YouTube views, and much more. In the improved version, you will find one-click account creation. Now you don't have to create like other product that each and every social media you have to create account. It is all created by SendBuddy with one click. And one-click content creation, that is a very nice thing they have introduced. So this includes content engine system in the SendBuddy that submitted campaign to shared by means even more easier. Zero content creation needed on your part. Now let us see what are the upgrades. This front end will cost you just $33. Auto One 2.0 agency. This is a monthly program. You can start with $1 and you can see if you are getting, but I'm sure that you will love it. This is the agency. Then Indexer platform where you can able to supercharge your campaign by unlocking the DFI indexer system. So your campaign gets throughout the backlink indexer, and uh, you will get much more look by Google and as well as YouTube. Now Auto 3 is video spy agency. With this you can uh, uh, this this agency you will can check all your competitors detail in just by one click. Then SendLab Auto 4, that is bigger brother of SendBuddy, which SendBuddy was built on platform. So with this, you can leverage the exchange and get shares from other people's account. Then Auto 5 is Video Chief. That is one time it will cost you $47, where you can get over 1200 done for you videos, which you can start using immediately. Now, SendBuddy is offering you these bonuses. First is agency right to SendBuddy, which is value $197. Free access to Send Creator Pro, $97 value. Samurai Keyword Bootcamp. This is very famous uh, product of Samurai, and he is giving you free as a bonus. Then live client attraction bonus training. The costing will cost you zero, but actual cost is $197. Then perfect optimization blueprint, which is $37. In addition, there is a bonus 6 hand-on live training session for SendBuddy. Now let us see bonuses what I am offering. These bonuses are actual costing over $4,000. So these are Zonos CPA hack point 1 and 2, part 1, part 2. Then Zonos 0 to 27K case studies. Very famous, and this is the actual case study where he is minting money. Then traffic using PDF sharing sites. This is also very nice bonus. And then JavaScript commission. This is actual product which you can utilize in your day-to-day life and start making money from here. So friends, what are you waiting for? Just click the link below to get this awesome product and my equally awesome and hot bonuses. Thank you.